Hello everybody, this is Mr. Peoples. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to access the classroom websites and then some of the features of those websites when you get there. Hopefully this will help you stay in touch with not only the teacher but also keep up with homework and assignments as the school year goes on. So on the screen right now I have the District 112 website, simply district112.org. That'll get you there, and then it'll bring you to this home page. And then from the home page, you want to go to Our Schools and find Chaska Middle School West. Once you get to Chaska Middle School West, I highly recommend bookmarking this main page of Middle School West because it does have information for parents right on the main page. So it's a good quick resource. You can also access the campus portal, which is where you would look at your students' grades and things like that. Once I'm at the Chaska Middle School West homepage, to access your students' class websites, you hover over Our Schools, you hover over Academics, and you find where it says Class Websites. And when you click on it, it'll bring up an alphabetical list of all the different classes. And so if you're looking for your students' history class, so in this case, I teach history, you would look up U.S. history, so you would look under U, and you can find, you'll see all of the history classes that are here. You can also see if you have Ms. Shulo, you'd have Ms. Shulo's classes here. My history websites, they're all the same, so it doesn't matter which one you choose. What's the difference about them is that right here it indicates what hour they are. So this one with the 2 at the end of it, that's hour 2. This is hour 3, hour 6, and hour 7. But it doesn't matter which one you go to because they all have the same information, same material. When I update one, the others all update at the same time as well. Once you click on that particular website, it'll bring you to my history webpage. And on this page, there are a number of things that would be helpful for you as a parent, especially right here. The first link on here is the My Homework app. If you want to keep up with your students' assignments, all of the Meteor teachers are going to be updating into this My Homework app. So you can click on it. You don't need a smartphone, although you can download this app to a smartphone or a device of some kind. But you can just go to myhomeworkapp.com. And actually, if you clicked on this link, it will take you to myhomeworkapp.com. And from there, you can sign up. It's totally free to sign up. And then you just search for Chaska Middle School West. You look for the teachers of your students, and you can then have access to every single homework assignment and their due dates. And if you wanted, you could have it set up for notifications so it beeps at you and all that stuff. But that's the place where we're going to be communicating all of our homework assignments to students. And so as a parent, it'd be a very important spot for you to look for homework. The other things that are available here to you, you want to sign up for Remind 101. All of the Meteor teachers will be, if we have a mass email to send out or some information for all parents or students, we will send something out through this Remind 101 app. And if you're not sure on how to sign up for it, you can click on the link right down here in my news section, and it explains how to sign up for my class. If we went to a different class, let's say we went to Ms. Zabek's class right now and looked at her website, she would also have those types of things on her, let's see, science. Oh, you know, science is called Foundations of Physics and Chemistry. So there it is. And if we look for Ms. Zabek, if we click on Ms. Zabek's website, you'll see she has My Homework app up there. She also has the Remind 101 stuff up in her news section. So you can access this and you can see how to receive messages from each class as we send them out each, if we have announcements. That's really all there is to it. From there, you can find anything you necessarily need. With U.S. History class, the students will be using Moodle very often, and so there's a link right here to get to Moodle. The students will need to use their username and login to actually access the material there. But there's video lectures up there. Every resource that I hand out in class, anything that we do in class goes onto that Moodle site, so they have access to that at home. I am also trying to link it onto my homework app so that you guys have access to it at home too through that. If you have questions about this stuff, please feel free to call. My phone number is located at the bottom of my page, right here, as well as my email address. Feel free to email as well. So hopefully this will help you find the class websites as we go throughout the school year. And like I said, if you have questions, please contact me.